Why are you putting the flashlight on?
Shh.
Sorry. Sorry for that. So yeah, okay. Look at this cookie. It's adorable. So I'm gonna squish it.
Okay, make a ball and come on. It's not freaking Play-Doh.
I know.
You just smash it and put it down here. Come on.
But when I make it, it's not that good. Dang, it's heavy.
Marie!
I know. I think she's done.
And you guys are making them too thick too.
Too thick? Okay. We're making them too thick. So sister's gonna help us.
Half of what you're doing.
Half of what we're doing. Like this?
Go flat.
No? Make a ball? Oh, make a ball. It have to be small.
Okay, I'm making it.
They're gonna expand more. Why?
No wonder I was like,
What?
I thought it would be kind of like, it would be gone by that time.
So here's my first one.
Here, Ren.
Give me one.
Here.
So I'm gonna wash my hands out for this, guys. So yeah. It took a couple minutes, so I hope you
We
enjoy
need
this
two more,
one.
that's all.
Two more?
That's all.
Here.
One more? No, that's it.
That's it.
I'll do this one.
Okay, do that one.
Actually, wait. Hold on. No.
How much?
That's all.
That's all?
That's all.
Oh,
So put that one back.
and Mom, you think when you're done washing your hands,
Put
can
here.
you put it on
Where?
me? Can you wash it on me?
Yes.
Put it on me. Now hold it, Mom. Thank God, they can't reach it. Thanks. So yeah. So this is our YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy this. Hope you have a good day, like now. So yeah. We're doing all this because I wanted to. And yeah. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this episode. We're gonna cook it and it's gonna be ready.
We got ice cream too.
I know, I just saw that. Yeah. If you guys want to see this new episode on episode 3, the ice cream challenge, we're going to have to eat 10 scoops of ice cream. So yeah, let's see who can not get a food ring. So yeah.
Okay.
So yeah. We're gonna do a ice cream challenge on episode 3. So yeah, you actually have to see on my channel now. What the hell? Oh shoot, that's a tray. Shoot. So yeah.